Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. Tonight I have an easy, fast weeknight meal for you. It's honey pineapple salmon. Now I'm gonna show you the ingredients, and then don't laugh, but I'm gonna go ahead and make it for 4 fillets because that's what the recipe calls for, and then I'm gonna take the remainder and put remaining of the sauce and cook it in a skillet and then use it to put over the rice. But this recipe calls for 4 salmon fillets. I thought I was getting 4. When I went to pick it up, there's only 1 fillet in here, so I'm only making 1. You need a 1/4 cup of pineapple juice. You need a fresh lemon, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. You need a little bit of salt, black pepper. You need some grated ginger. I have pureed ginger in the jar. You need some garlic. 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger. You need a 1/4 cup of honey, and you need some fresh cilantro and pineapple slices for garnish. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the salmon cleaned. Oh, and you need parchment paper on a baking tray. This cooks for about 15 to 20 minutes depending on your thickness of the salmon. So I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys on pause and get everything set up. Let's get cooking. Okay everyone, I've gone ahead and put a tablespoon of garlic inside the bowl, and I forgot to tell you need a tablespoon of olive oil. I sprayed my cup with some Pam because it's easier to get the honey out that way, and you need a 1/4 cup of honey, so I'm going to do the honey first. And like I said, I'm making this for 4 fillets. Don't laugh, I'm only going to make 1. I thought I was going to have dinner tonight and then 1 for lunch tomorrow, but I only have 1, so I'm still going to make it. And the honey, as you see, it pours out really easy if you spray it first. And then you need a 1/4 cup of pineapple juice. I'm going to pour it right out of here, and that's a 1/4 cup. And then you need to whisk this together. Oh, I forgot, you need a tablespoon of ginger. That's what I was missing. So let me clean this off. I don't want to put any soy sauce in my, this is ginger paste I'm using, it's organic. The recipe calls for fresh ginger, but you know your girl was not about to do all that, especially for this 2 little pieces of salmon I thought I was going to have. And in this recipe, all this work for just 1. But like I said, can't complain. It only takes 20-25 minutes in the oven. I've got 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add that in there, and then you want to whisk this together and get this really combined. Now the recipe that I have, it says to salt and pepper and then put this on top. I don't like that because in my opinion the salt and pepper is going to come off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just totally baste this in the dressing. And another disclaimer, it's got the skin on the bottom. Normally I would take that off. I do not eat the skin. I cannot stand the skin on the bottom of the salmon. So I'm going to let this sit in here for just a couple minutes, and I'm going to add the teaspoon of olive oil, let this marinate for just about 5 minutes. I'll come back and then we'll put it on the tray and get ready to put it in the oven. Okay, so the salmon's been in the marinade, and the olive oil that I forgot to add, I added that off camera, 1 teaspoon. And now the recipe that I have also says to baste this halfway through. So it says to cook this 18 to 20 minutes. I'm going to set it for 15 and check it at 15. So I'm just going to take the salmon and try and carefully lay it on here. And then you want to season this with salt and pepper. I couldn't see putting it on before because it would be in the sauce, and then also it wouldn't stick. So see how easy this is? You can have dinner in no time. And like I said, this recipe is for 4 fillets. I'm only using 1. And so then you put pineapple slices on top. And I don't know if I forgot to tell you guys, I probably did. My oven is preheated to 400 degrees. So I'm going to turn the camera on, put these in the oven, and let these go for 10, check them. My recipe calls to glaze them again, and then let them go for the last 15 to 20. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, your girl forgot to add the fresh lemon juice to the marinade. No worries, see, nobody's perfect. So what I'll do is add this. I'll just go ahead and baste it again before I put it in. Put some more glaze on top, make sure the pineapples are glazed. So I'm going to put this in the oven, set the timer for 10 minutes, glaze it again, and then check it in 15 because it may have to go 20. So I'll put you back on pause and get this in the oven. Like I said, dinner only takes 30 minutes. And if you have this with rice, potato salad, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. I upload 2 videos a week and an inspirational quote with each video, and I tell a joke at the end of each video. So let me put you on pause and let's get this finished. Okay guys, it's been 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and take the salmon out of the oven. I do have it on the top rack, and it looks like this is gonna have to go full another 10. So I'm going to go ahead and baste this again because it requires my recipe basting it 2 times. This is the second glaze. I'm going to put it back in the oven, back on 400 for the last 5 to 10 minutes, and I'll check it. And like I said, I'm going to take the last of that glaze and saute it down and make it really thick and put that over my rice. So I'm going to put this back in the oven. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll be right back. Okay everyone, there's the final product. It went 20 minutes. I did 17, then I did 3 minutes under the broil light. This is an excellent dish. It's savory from the salmon, it's sweet from the honey, and it's tangy from the pineapple juice. So let me tell you my joke. After a long night of lovemaking, the man notices a photo of another man on the bedside table. He begins to worry. "Is this your husband?" he nervously asks. "No, silly," she responds, snuggling up to him. He continues then. "Your boyfriend?" She continues. "No, not at all," she says, nibbling at his ear, inquiring, "Is it your dad or is it your brother?" Hoping for reassurance, the man asked the woman. No, she says. "You are so hot when you are jealous." "Well, who in the hell is it?" he demands. She whispers in his ear, "That's me before the surgery." Okay guys, that's my joke. Hope you enjoyed it. I don't know what to say about that one. Anyway, give this recipe a try. Excellent for weeknights. Like I said, 25 minutes tops, some rice, some salad, and this is good to go. I was going to have this for dinner tonight, but I'm going to take it for lunch tomorrow and have something else. So anyway, have a good evening. Thanks for watching. God bless, and have a good evening. Thanks for watching.